Saki. Hello, Saki. Hello, Sakis. Hey, you beautiful boy. It was raining a lot today. It was raining a lot, and I came here at night to check how is Sakis and to bring him some treats to enjoy in his blanket before sleep. Yeah, Saki, do you want some treats? Look what I have for you. You like them? Yes, Saki, you like them? Are you gonna eat them? He's very old. I don't know if he will eat them, really. Saki. Oppa. Ah, Sakis will have a treat before sleep. He will eat them. He will like them. Yeah, Saki. There's nobody around here. In this big area, it's only Sakis, because he's very, very old. Saki. He wants his peace. This beautiful, very old guy. He wants his peace. You're not gonna eat the treats, Saki? You want me to move back so you can eat them? Saki.